gonna teach me how to make a tamale from Venezuela.
Hallaca maracucha.
So we'll start by cooking the chicken first. Okay, and some salt. A little black pepper, get some paprika. Oil on it, and go into the stove, cook this baby up. First thing you're gonna do when you have your chicken ready, shredded chicken. Grace is tackling the vegetables right now. She just mixed it with the chicken. We're about to add the potatoes we've just cooked as well. We're gonna move on to the masa. So this is their flour here. Salt we're gonna add to it. Water to it, and we're gonna mix it like you'd mix regular dough. How you know the dough is ready is it's not gonna stick anymore. You need to cook them 15 to 20 minutes in boiling hot water. So we finished the tamales, and we're about to try them for the first time.